Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with Intel step by step clearly. To deploy AI tools with Intel, start by identifying your project requirements. Understand the specific AI tasks you wish to perform, such as machine learning, data analysis, or natural language processing. Research the appropriate Intel hardware that supports your AI workloads. Consider options like Intel Xeon processors or Intel Core processors, depending on your performance needs. Next, select the right AI framework for your deployment. Popular frameworks include TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Apache MXNet, which are optimized for Intel architectures. Ensure your software environment is set up correctly. Install necessary drivers and software libraries, such as Intel One API toolkits or Intel distribution of OpenVINO toolkit. Once the software is ready, configure your model. Import your dataset and pre-process it to ensure quality data for training. Follow the specific framework's guidelines to define your model architecture and training parameters. Train the model using available resources, ensuring you monitor the performance throughout the process. After training, evaluate the model's accuracy using validation datasets. Adjust the model parameters as necessary to improve performance based on the evaluation results. Once satisfied with the model's accuracy, proceed to integrate it into your application. Utilize Intel's performance optimization techniques to enhance execution speed and efficiency. Consider deploying your model on Intel hardware for better performance through edge computing or cloud environments. Test the deployment thoroughly to ensure it meets your operational needs. Collect user feedback and continue to fine-tune the model post-deployment for ongoing improvements. Document the deployment process for future reference and for team knowledge sharing. Keep abreast of advancements in Intel technologies and AI tools for continuous enhancement of your AI solutions. Engage with Intel's developer community for additional support and resources. By following these steps, you will successfully deploy AI tools with Intel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.